Hello friends, today is the time to harvest the microgreens which I have grown for the first time, and it's an amazing experience. So let's see how it looks like. Hello friends, this is Dr Sujata Singhi from Mumbai, and as you can see, today is the time to harvest the microgreens. I did it for the very first time and I was really excited. But as you can see, it was very simple to grow, and in fact, all the materials used were from part of the kit which was sent by Village Story. And today I'm going to see and harvest the fenugreek, the sunflower, and there's one more seed, the name of course I've forgotten a little bit, but all these will be used in for salad and can be used in for the sandwiches. And I'm also going to cook. I'm going to make the methi ka thepla with this particular microgreen. So looking forward to having a healthy and an abundant life just like these microgreens. Guys, if you want good health, I guess food is very important. Emotional well-being, very, very important. Mental well-being, very important. And at the end of the day, happiness. So let not the environment suffocate you. Learn something new. Do something which you're passionate about and see your life rock and roll.